In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your high beam bulb on your Mini Cooper. It's located in your headlight assembly. To change your high beam bulb, we're going to pull down on this tab and remove this cover. Set it off to the side, and now we're going to unplug our bulb. Just pull straight down and set it over here. There's a spring clip in here. You're going to push in on these right here, and you're going to push up and towards the outside of the car. So push up and unhook it and let that fall down. Make sure the bulb doesn't fall with it. Grab onto it and pull it out. Now we're going to install our bulb. When you go up with the bulb, make sure that this tab on the assembly is facing this way. So now you're going to press in. You're going to line it up. Make sure it's seated properly. You'll know when it's flush. It won't wiggle around. Now we're going to hold that with one finger and push up our spring clip and hook it into where you found it. Push it up, over, and then hook it onto the little lip right there. And that'll hold it in. Now we're going to take our connector and plug it in. To do that, you're just going to line it up, the two prongs with these, and push it in. Now you can put your cover back on and make sure that your light is working.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.